Introducing Burlington, a fully customizable wall covering product capturing Burl Wood's authentic beauty with its richly textured wood grain elements. The feel is warm, with elegant tones precisely evoking handcrafted wood surfaces. This luxury 54-inch wide Type 2 wall covering features tactile realism with 4 distinctive colorway options and calming vibes. Versatile in transforming hospitality venues, corporate offices, and modern homes with sophisticated texture and timeless design. Here, nature meets modern design through a seamless blend of tradition and innovation, carefully crafted to address elevated interiors that demand both style and commercial durability. Burlington brings instant warmth to contemporary spaces while maintaining that authentic wood experience. Discover Burlington by LEVEY, where craftsmanship meets design vision for your next custom project.